The bathroom in the 26-foot bunkhouse by Jayco was almost not usable in its factory condition. So I'm going to show you some changes that we made that even help with air circulation around the camper. One of the first things that we did was actually remove the door. So the door used to open up this way. When it was opened, it would totally block the bunk bed that you had just this tiny little space to get in and out of the bunk bed. So that did not work. And then when you were in the bathroom, it was so cramped because the door was shut. And the toilet paper holder was right here that you couldn't move. And my husband and I are average weight, average size, and we could not function. So we did do a few things. The door coming off was one of them. So in its place, we added a curtain rod here and just a regular curtain. So it's more like dorm room-like, where you could stick your feet out a stall instead of an actual door that latches. We did also add a second, you can call it a second door, back up here for you, so that it could be like double curtained if you needed to, so you'd double the privacy if you wanted to get in the shower, dry off, and then if that was not enough room to change, you could use this space out here in the sink bunk bed area to get dressed if you needed to. We added some chair rail. That was from inside our house when we had remodeled something. We painted. You'll see that we just put up a tension rod. I got these at Walmart. Command hook off Amazon because I wanted the darker color, not the outdoor. We actually do hang our towels here to dry. And then inside, I have another one of these, so there's two of them here. Here's the break. Another one here. Kids' choice. That has been up now almost 2 years and has not fallen down. That is from Amazon. I'll show you the brand there. I'm very, very, very pleased with that. That's been up the whole time. We added our own shower curtain rod that was not factory. They had something screwed into the top. You can see the screw holes there. We removed that. It's just a simple curtain from Walmart. Baskets from Walmart. Again, those command hooks, they are actually outdoor command hooks, but they work really, really well in here. Some extra toilet paper. And then I have hidden behind here. Those are actually from Command. The Swifter and the Broom. And you do not see them then. When the curtain is like this, you have no idea what's back there. Or you can close the curtain and you get your actual bathroom door. It's a little wrinkly right now. My husband had it folded strange and tucked up into the basket for our last trip, but typically it hangs pretty flat.